How nice it is to be like birds with no worry, no care in their lives. Not worried about where their next meal will come from. No need of saving anything for the rainy day. I bet you've come across some people who lead their life just like this. Not worried about saving for the future, saving for their goals in life, for their kids' education, their marriage, their own retirement. But with people, it's very different. We have to make sure that we have a definite plan for those emergencies in life, like battling with COVID, finding jobs suddenly disappear, being struck by an emergency that you had not come across. How do you deal with things like that? Do keep watching my videos where I will be talking about various experiences that I've had, that I've experienced firsthand, not one time, but multiple times. And I'd like to share my learnings with you so that you don't make the same mistakes that I made, and that can help you lead a happier, wealthier, and satisfying life. Do share your comments below, and I would definitely look forward to making more videos for you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.